गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू न्यू वीडियो। आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल। कोरोना पे टाइम मेरा जमा चुका है 7th स्टैंडर्ड की हिस्ट्री के साथ, और आज का हमारे चैप्टर का नाम है कॉन्फ्लिक्ट विद द मुगल्स। तो चलिए नोट्स कंप्लीट करते हैं। सबसे पहले हमारा क्वेश्चन है फाइंड द नेम्स फ्रॉम द चैप्टर। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, और डिक्शनरी कंटेनिंग संस्कृत वर्ड्स, राज्य व्यवहार कोश। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, ही वोन त्रिम्बटगढ़। आंसर, मोरपन पिंगले। This Sardar was defeated as Wani Dero. Answer, Dohokan. A place where British, Dutch and French has their factories. Answer, Surat. The present day state in which Tanjavur is situated. Answer, Tamil Nadu. The Subedar of Surat who failed to put up his resistance on slate of Shivaji Maharaj, Inayat Khan. Question number 2. Arrange the following events in chronological order. Question number first, southern campaign of Shivaji Maharaj, raid on Lal Mahal, escape from Agra, coronation, treaty with Purandar, Shasta Khan's invasion. Answer, Shasta Khan's invasion. Question number 2, raid on Lal Mahal. Third, treaty of Purandar. Fourth, escape from Agra. Coronation, southern campaign of Shivaji Maharaj. Question number 3, give reason. Shivaji Maharaj entered the treaty of Purandar. Answer, huge army of Dilar Khan had ravaged his territory of Swaraj. Morapaji Deshpande died a hero's death while defeating Purandar. Question number 3, his subjects suffered great losses due to conflict with the Mughals. Considering the seriousness of the situation, Shivaji Maharaj entered into a treaty of Purandar. Question number 2, Shivaji Maharaj looked aggressive stance against the Mughals. Answer, Shivaji Maharaj took aggressive stance against the Mughals because he wanted to recapture the forts and territories given to the Mughal as per the Treaty of Purandar. He wanted to destabilize the Mughal rule in the Deccan by invading territories under their control. Question number 4, write about these in your own words. Write short notes on preparation for coronation. Answer, coronation is a grand and valuable throne of 32 man of gold was made. There were 8 bejeweled pillars on 8 sides of the throne. A plenty of money, cloth, elephant and horse were donated to the scholars who had come to attend the coronation. Prince Sambhaji Raje had described the coronation ceremony in his treasuries as Buddha Bhushanam, जो प्रिंस संभाजी राजे, जो उनके बेटे शिवाजी राजे के टाइम में, वो कोरोनेशन सेरेमनी को बुद्ध भूषणम ने ऐसा उनको नाम दिया था. नेक्स्ट, कोरोनेशन ऑफ शिवाजी महाराज, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आंसर, कोरोनेशन ऑफ शिवाजी महाराज वाज नेसेसरी टू गेन जनरल recognition as the sovereign reign independent state. Question number answer 2, Shivaji Maharaj was formally crowned according to the Vedic rituals by Ganga Bhatt at Raigad on 6th June 1674. Maharashtra assigned the throne of Swaraj, became the Chhatrapati of the Swaraj. As a symbol of sovereignty, the Rajya Abhishek Shah, the coronation area, was started. On the occasion coronation, a gold coin called Ho and copper coin called Shirure were minted with a legend Shri Raja Shiv Chhatrapati inscribed on them. 6. All royal corresponding after the coronation who carried the words क्षत्रिय कुलवंशा श्री राजे छत्रपति शिवपति शिव छत्रपति. Question number 7. The coronation of Shivaji Maharaj was revolutionary event in the history of medieval India. Question number 3. Shivaji Maharaj campaign of the South. Answer. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj undertook his campaign of the South in October 1677. He entered into a treaty of friendship with Kulbik Shah of Golconda. He tried to convince without success his half-brother Venkuji, the ruler of Thanwar, to participate in the actions of Swaraj. He conquered Bengaluru on the Hoskote in Karnataka, Inji and Welford forts and some parts of Adil Shah's kingdom. He appointed Rajput Narayan Hamed to look after these conquered territories and returned to Swaraj after 2 years. Shivaji Maharaj also excised the fort of Jingi, which proved to be the great इम्पोर्टेंस इन द लेटर ईयर. तो आज के लिए बस आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. अगर वीडियो पसंद आया होगा वीडियो को लाइक, वीडियो को शेयर, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब हो. तब तक के लिए गुड बाय.